You've probably started seeing these viral ASMR videos all over your TikTok and YouTube feeds. And the channels are exploding. Look at this. This page has 14K followers and over 1 million likes from just 5 videos. Or look at this one. 60K followers and millions of views from only 3 videos. Or this one, with millions of likes and views. And it's all because of these fantastic, incredible, impossible ideas. It's all pretty amazing, and the method behind it is something anyone can learn. Hi. So, this is the first time I'm actually on camera. Well, not exactly on camera. To be honest, I'm a little shy, so this is my avatar that you'll be seeing. But yeah, from now on I'm here. Anyway, I've spent a bit of time figuring out what makes these videos tick. And trust me, it's way easier than you'd think. So let's dive in. It all starts with learning how to write the perfect prompt. Now, your first instinct might be to jump into the AI and type something super simple, like this. But the result? Yeah, it kind of sucks. The trick isn't just asking for a prompt, it's showing the AI what a great prompt actually looks like first. I call this the template method. It's a simple 2-step process that guarantees a great result every time. First, we give the AI our master template. Then, we give it our specific scene idea and ask it to use that template structure. It looks like this. So, let's say we want to make an ASMR video of a sharp knife cutting through kinetic sand. And just like that, we get a perfect, detailed, professional prompt. The reason this works so well is because our template forced the AI to think about all the important elements. Great. Now that you have a perfect prompt, let's turn it into a video. We'll look at the 2 main methods for this. Try in Gemini and try in Flow. All you have to do is copy the full prompt from Gemini and paste it in. No tweaks, no edits. Then just hit go. First, let's try it in Gemini with the kinetic sand prompt the AI just built for us. I'll just copy the full prompt, paste it straight in, and hit generate, and there it is. A perfect result. Exactly what we asked for. This prompt method works great with Google's Veo. And honestly, you can use it with pretty much any AI video tool to make awesome ASMR content. While the direct Gemini generator is great for a few quick videos, it has a daily limit of about 3. So for more flexibility, let's look at Google Labs. Flow is more advanced and works on a monthly credit system, so it's great for bigger projects. Let's try a different prompt here. To get sound, you must select a model like Veo 3 Fast or Veo 3 Quality. Okay, let me hit generate. Another amazing result. Now that you have the method, the real fun begins. Here are just a few quick ideas to get you started. And there you have it. That's the complete method, from a simple idea to a finished, impossible video. The most important thing to remember from all of this is that every complex video we looked at today started from a simple, one-line idea, a cat grooming, or cutting a donut with lava inside. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Stay creative and relax. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Stay creative and relax.